Is your money stuck in Westpac and you need to get it to another bank account? You're not alone. Many of us navigate multiple bank accounts, whether it's for budgeting, sending money to friends and family who bank elsewhere, or managing different financial goals. The process of moving money between banks can sometimes seem a bit daunting, especially if you're new to online banking or haven't done it in a while. But what if I told you it's actually a straightforward process that you can complete in just a few minutes from the comfort of your home? Today, we're going to walk through exactly how to transfer money from your Westpac account to another bank account, step by step. We'll cover everything from logging into your online banking to confirming your transfer, ensuring you feel confident and secure throughout the entire process. The first thing you'll need is access to your Westpac online banking. If you haven't set this up yet, you'll need to register on the Westpac website or via their mobile app. Once you're logged in, you'll typically see a summary of your accounts. Look for an option that says Payments and Transfers or something similar. This is usually the gateway to moving your money. Clicking on Payments and Transfers will likely present you with a few options. You'll want to select Transfer to another bank or Pay someone new. This is where you'll initiate the outbound transfer. Next, you'll need the details of the recipient's bank account. This is crucial, so double-check everything. You'll need their full account name, their bank's BSB, bank state branch, number, and their account number. The BSB is a 6-digit code that identifies the specific branch of the bank where the account is held, and the account number is usually 9 digits long. If you're unsure, ask the recipient to provide these details to you directly. It's always better to be safe than sorry to avoid transferring money to the wrong account. Once you've entered the recipient's details, you'll then need to specify the amount you wish to transfer. Make sure to enter the correct amount. You'll also usually have the option to add a description or reference for the payment. This is incredibly helpful for both you and the recipient to identify the purpose of the transfer, especially if it's for a specific bill or shared expense. A clear reference like rent June or dinner last night can save a lot of confusion later. After you've filled in all the necessary information, the recipient's details, the amount, and the reference, you'll be prompted to review the transaction. This is your final chance to check all the details before the money is sent. Take your time here. Confirm the BSB, account number, account name, and the amount are all correct. Once you're satisfied that everything is accurate, you'll typically be asked to confirm the transfer, often using a security measure like a text message code sent to your registered mobile phone or a security token. This extra step is in place to protect your funds and ensure only you can authorize transfers from your account. Enter the code, and voila! Your transfer is complete. You'll usually receive a confirmation message on screen, and sometimes an email or SMS notification, confirming that your payment has been successfully sent. The time it takes for the money to appear in the other bank account can vary, but generally, transfers between Australian banks using the New Payments Platform, NPP, are near instant. Older payment methods might take up to 1 business day. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from your Westpac account to another bank. It's a simple process once you know the steps, and mastering online banking gives you incredible control over your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.